I'll start, I'll answer your question, but I'll start on a lighter note. We would typically look at Indians, we Indians, we are very spiritual, right? We all are very spiritual. So we trust God. And, we all think that this will not happen to us. Bhagwan hamare saath hai, right? Like you must have got all those WhatsApp messages that we might hang mirchi and nimbu on the, door of our houses, but we'll not put a proper lock.
No, they say na, in WhatsApp,
Yeah.
you forward this message to so many people.
Correct.
And you will get so many things.
So if you look
Your
at this
wishes
whole, security and networking per se, I've got two CIOs, in this panel. Trust me, the networking, if you look at the firewall, DMZ, MZ, that part of the network has not changed in the last maybe 30 years. Applications development has changed. Today people are talking about containers and so many new development. But somehow the networking component has not changed. You go and meet any CIO or any architect, he will design the same standard architecture. So we'll have a beautiful door, which is a firewall. We'll have another door in the backside, and that's it. Now, when you talk about all these malwares and ransomware, there's a way they attack, right? So a lot of east-west traffic happens, and we only worry about the northwest, north-south. The traffic. So we got IoT devices. All of us have got an IoT device. This is an IoT device, right? We all are carrying one IoT device with us, and we all are, accessing our applications through this device. So this access is all my east-west, which I'm doing, right? But we don't worry about this east-west traffic. We only take care that main door should be secure. There should be a good padlock. And when servers saying, naturally when you are having multiple applications, multiple users, so you keep opening small doors. In that big door, you keep opening small doors. And in that process, when you have to, close those doors, you definitely forget one. 100%, people will forget one, because when you're making policies in these firewalls, there are tons of policies people will make, and they'll forget to, remove these policies. And that's what these hackers are looking at. They're looking at that small opening in that door, and they enter. And once they enter, they create a havoc in the east-west. So when you come to the virtual world, since I work in VMware, things become more interesting, because now on one host, you are running multiple machines, right? You are running a database server, app server, everything is running on one host itself. Now imagine an attack happens on that host, so all your virtual hosts are at risk. So I will not talk technology here, but today VMware has developed an architecture where we provide right from switching, routing, firewalling, everything on a virtual level. So we'll protect your east-west traffic. We provide microsegmentation, wherein even the two virtual machines are not able to talk to each other if they're not allowed to, right? If you allow two machines to talk to each other, they will allow. But they will provide that kind of firewalling between the virtual layer itself. So in my view, we should relook at that architecture again. It's been quite some time. We had a relook at that architecture, and that's what we are going and educating our customers around this whole new architecture.